This is our customer's factory, a testament to our international partnerships. They have invested in an I.C.T wave soldering machine, a cutting-edge solution for their production needs. With this advanced equipment, they produce high-quality products that meet the demands of modern electronics. They conduct extensive testing on their boards to ensure optimal performance and reliability. Utilizing numerous inspections through I.C.T machines, they leave no room for error. As you can see, they employ a variety of dip tests and kick machines, ensuring thorough quality checks at every stage. They have conducted their own tests, confirming that the Japanese factory's production maintains exceptionally high standards. They meticulously record various aspects of their process, showcasing their dedication to excellence. Production 1, the soldering is impeccable, reflecting their commitment to quality. The second board, we can see that the soldering perfectly meets the customer's specification. The third board, however, does not meet their high standards, demonstrating their strict quality control measures. The customer's production process is incredibly meticulous, leaving no detail overlooked. They ensure that the customized production quality is flawless, achieving a 100% inspection rate. Thus, the I.C.T to wave soldering machine is an ideal fit for their rigorous production demands, enhancing their ability to deliver excellence.